Did you guys even know there was a Copic Drawing Pen? Well, at least I didn't know, and as soon as I came to know about it, I went straight to Amazon to buy it, where it was for 1000 rupees, which is like $14. I'm a huge lover of Copic products when it comes to art, and all the Copic products I have tried so far, I have loved it. So I'm really looking forward to Copic Drawing Pen, and let's see if we can make a cool artwork out of just a Copic Drawing Pen. It's technically a fountain pen, which you can use to ink your drawings, and it's Copic proof, so it will work really well with Copic sketch markers. So in today's video, I'm going to try to make a cool artwork using my new Copic drawing pen, and then we'll color our drawing using Copic markers to see how it works with Copic color markers. But to make it a little challenging, I am gonna draw directly with Copic drawing pen without any guidelines, without any rough sketch, just directly using my Copic drawing pen and trying to make a good artwork. So I can't do any mistakes because I can't erase it. It's gonna be a bit of a challenge, but I think we can do this. So without wasting any more time, let's get right in. Hey guys, our drawing is ready. I mean, the framework is ready and it's looking so good so far. I am loving the whole result, how it turned out, especially considering that I did not use any guidelines. I started sketching directly with my new Copic drawing pen, and I am surprised with the results. It's looking really good. And I'm also proud that I was able to keep the right proportion between body parts without starting from any guidelines. At the same time, I was able to fit the character exactly exactly at the center. I didn't have to lose any body part. So here you see it's really close. His jacket and his leg could have been outside the paper if I didn't do right calculations. Especially without guidelines, it gets really difficult and challenging to do that. I'm also really happy with the Boruto writing and the kunai I had put beneath it. It looks really good. I'm really excited to color this up now with Copic markers and see how the Copic drawing pen ink works with Copic sketch markers. So let's do it. Let's color this piece with my Copic markers. Let's do this. And our drawing is ready. I am really happy with the results, especially with the inking where we use Copic Drawing Pen because it was so easy to use. It was very clean and I really liked the feel of holding this pen and using it. And one of the best advantage of using this pen is that you don't have to dip it in ink again and again like we have to do with G pen. And at the same time you can get the feel of drawing and inking with a fountain pen. So I really enjoyed using this pen. I hope you enjoyed this video too. If you did, then don't forget to drop a like and share your views down below in comment section. And if you're not part of the channel yet, then subscribe for more awesome drawings like these, more art videos in future. And that is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.